know if this is sideways, but my screen is sideways. That's not. Come on, Ben. Come on. Come on. You're getting on the wrong bike, dude. Come on. Step up. Ben is blind. Come on. Step up. This is Ben's favorite thing to do, by the way. You know, the nightly ride. We go out first thing in the morning, and then we go again at night. And we run a lot of stop signs. You ready, buddy? You ready? Let's go. Say hello, Ben. I'm home. Ben's happy, I'm happy, we're both happy. Look at him, look at that guy. He couldn't be happier. That's one happy bulldog right there. Again, this is the MT-001 with a little dead cat on it. I think it works really great on the GoPro. Not so much on the iPhone like this, but on the GoPro, it sounds good. I mean, there's no windshield. You know what I mean? We're driving a scooter down the road, 20-something miles per hour, and it works. Can't argue with that. It just works. You barely hear the winds. Not bad. Helps if you're close to it. So, but this is Ben's happy place. Maybe I'll spread his ashes here someday. We'll go for a scooter ride down the dike and just toss them up in the air at like full speed. Probably get a ticket, but I think Ben would want to go out that way. Poor old guy. Old man. Ben does not wait. Ben's got an agenda. His agenda is to pee on everything. Right, buddy? Mine. The world is mine. It's if I have enough to drink. Look at that fine scooter. After slumming on the BMW for the last 3 months, it feels good to be back on the scooter. You know, I mean, the BMW is all right, but it's not Leslie. Now, I didn't name it Leslie, but it came with the name Leslie, the girl who owned it before me, who was very, very attractive, by the way. Very attractive, intelligent, used it in Philadelphia while she was in college. And now, Leslie is finishing her life out with me. See where I'm cleverly disguising. I don't want to, you know, Ben's pooping. You don't need to be seeing that, do you? What are we doing? So, see? I'm a big fan of those ram balls. I got one on the scooter too, so if I want to put the camera up front, I can do that. Or if I want to put a 360 camera, which I've used before, works very nice. Right, buddy? Right, Benjamin? Bender? Technically his name is Bender from like Futurama, but we just call him Ben. And this is Ben walking, wagging his Cocoa Puffs, if you know what I'm saying. He usually needs a second. We're taking a ride over to see what all that smoke is. It seems to be getting worse. Maybe it's a house fire. We'll find out in a minute. So it doesn't, well, actually it looks down, it's looking further away. Oh, remember last time I did that? Never mind. Notice Ben. He just doesn't care. He says, I'm on the scooter, I'm good. He's just happy I didn't take him home again. I'm giving this another minute and then we're done. The search for the smoke. wish right now he'd be on the bike, back on the bike before I would be. He's a good boy. Is it the school? Well, now I can smell it at least. That's what made me think it might have been a bonfire, like, you know, football and all that crap. And it seemed like it was coming from the school. And so I thought maybe schoolyard fire, they do that, you know. Pennsylvania, they like their football. Oh my God, it just keeps getting further away. It's not the school, so I don't know. Let's see. I'm like I said, I'm getting further away than I care to be at this point. Ben will only he gets anxious. Oh, wait a minute. We have fire trucks. Howdy. You're not a Dalmatian, you don't go over there.